Have you let yourself go during this quarantine? Are last night's snacks appearing in weird crevices of your body? Are bad ends weighing down your hair and your mood? Stop wrestling with your hair today. Let's help our hair end up on the nice list instead of naughty. Hi guys, I'm Flavia John, and today I'll be teaching you how to do a DIY curly cut from home. In the meantime, please don't clock me for my color because there's no way I'm touching my own hair with chemical right now. I just don't trust myself. I need a professional. I'm so overdue for a cut and color. I miss my hairstylist so much. Utopia Salon is where it's at. I miss you. I need you. Please come save me. Just kidding. You don't have to come to my house and all that. I've been cutting my own hair since high school. How many years ago was that? Yeah, for about like 10 years now. It's a curly girl's right to get our hair done by a professional who has studied the craft and knows what the hell they're doing. Before I was able to afford a luxury like going to a specific curly salon and asking someone specific to cut my hair the way that I like it, I used to cut my hair by myself. So for everyone else who has the same struggle as me, I have a few helpful tips if you want to try this at home. I'm not a professional, so do this at your own risk. These are just a couple of methods that have worked for me over the years. And I would also like to emphasize that this cut is strictly for curly hair. So if you try this method and plan on straightening your hair after, don't be surprised if you find some holes in it. Anyway, I am so overdue for a haircut, so let's get right into it. So first I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair off in two pieces. I got these scissors from Sally Beauty Supply, I'm pretty sure. They're just pretty basic small shears, and they get the job done. I always trim my hair between cuts, and my hairstylists never tell me that I did a terrible job, so I'll take it. Hold your scissor with your ring finger and thumb for the most control of cutting. I just have these dead ends over here which make the rest of my hair look totally lifeless. I also have some wonky looking curls that just aren't letting me be great, so I'm excited to finally tend to them. Using the curl by curl method, I first separate each curl from the rest of my hair and proceed to cut right where the last curl ends, making sure to keep it at a downwards angle. This simple trick encourages the ends of my hair to curl up instead of just trailing off in a wavy line. My cut hair feels so much lighter, as opposed to the other half, which feels and looks dead. And we do the same to the other side. I section off the crown of my hair and put it aside, and I continue to do the same thing to this middle layer of my hair. There are some pieces of my hair that just don't curl anymore, so those are what I'm focusing on here. I made a vow to myself to get rid of everything that no longer serves me, so we're starting here. I've sped it up here so you don't have to watch me do this for a half hour, but please take your time with this. I do want to mention that this is day 2 hair with product already in it, styled how I usually do it. Since I'm growing my hair out, I'm only cutting where the bad ends are, so it's only about half an inch. So these are my finished results. I feel amazing. My hair feels so much lighter. I feel like there's a lot more movement in my hair. I got rid of the bad ends. I got rid of the negativity. I feel like it's a fresh start in a way. Haircuts are so symbolic. I just feel like a new woman. Usually if the shape isn't how I want it to be, I usually go in and cut it until it is. But I'm trying to grow out my hair, so I did not touch too much of the length. I kept it dry because it gave me a much better idea of where each curl falls when it's styled. I kind of just wanted to dust off the ends to keep it healthy and bouncy. I cut off less than an inch off the ends. And you can see how much shorter my hair looks from before. And that's because of shrinkage. Whenever I give myself trims, people actually notice and are just like, did you get a haircut? And I'm like, girl, I just cut off half an inch. But thank you for calling my hair short. So that just goes to show that half an inch for us curly girls is very significant. I do this like every 3 months or so, just to help keep my hair healthy between haircuts. I guess I'll be doing this for a while considering we're expected to be in quarantine for the majority of 2020. But I'm gonna just take that time to encourage my hair to grow and do a whole bunch of healthy treatments. You guys should try this. Proceed with caution and make sure you're not cutting off too much if it's your first time, just because, like I said before, you don't want to end up with an accident. So when you try this method, main thing is you gotta do it with confidence. Whenever there's a scissor, there should be confidence right alongside it. So another thing to keep in mind is that when you are cutting your hair, don't be discouraged. I know that it may seem like a lot and might be a little time consuming because it's curl by curl, but you can't really judge the result until after you've finished. When you're cutting your own hair, you're shedding dead weight. So it's important to get rid of the lackluster bits, the breakage, and just the damaged ends. Nobody likes split ends. If you don't already know, whenever you have split ends, cut them right away. Don't rip them, don't pull them, just cut them. Just cut them and let the rest grow. I'm really happy with my results. I love how my hair came out. It sucks that I ain't got nowhere to go. The only person I'm trying to impress is you. If you messed up your hair because of me, my name is Alicia Khan. If your hair came out fantastic because of this video, then I'm Faria John, and thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial of how to cut your own hair at home. Let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'd be so happy to do it for you. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Show me some love so I can show you some back. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy these dramatic slow-mos and stay tuned for some super dorky bloopers. I apologize in advance. Oh my. I wanted to eat it.
Oh, it hasn't been recording, but that was perfect.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm kidding.
I hate you so much when you do that. Okay.
Tease your mustache. Tease your brows. And your unibrow. Okay. Ooh la la, she cute, she cute. Ooh la la, she cute, she cute. She's the party mom, she's the cool mom, she's the wine mom. While she's pregnant, she still drinks wine.